Morning. My hands are cold. Can I ride your bike for a bit?
Nah. Pretty good fun.
Just look dangerous though.
I'd say pretty. I don't know.
Okay. Gubbins has got the skills. Brilliant! He got there in the end. Some good bits now. I like these bits. Oh yes, yes! Go on, Ted! Go on, Ted! It didn't quite work out how he planned, did it? What's he doing, Tomo? Oh, the rivalry between these two is epic, isn't it? Where you going? Down Erzberg or down Stells or what?
Yeah, what do you think?
Well, it's up to you, you're leader, you're doing a good job, keep it up.
We can go that one at the end.
If you want.
Then up hairpin.
Yeah. Oh, it's deeper than Teddy! Oh! Come on, pipe! Oh, I love it. Little corner action manoeuvres. Oh, he's done him. Oh no. We love a good deal. Where's Hodgy's going? Where are you going? He can't stop. Goggles again. Should have kept them on. What a melt. Go on, Hodgy. Oh, that wasn't what I was meant to do, Gubbins. I was just going to park against this tree. What is he doing?
Oh no, not the chicken route.
I haven't done this bit for a while. We like it.